What's up? What's up? What's up? Just been a little busy working on getting the stream up. Had it connected to other things, so we had a few problems, but we are here live. Today is it's a great day. It really is. Don't think today's a bad day. It's Sunday. And today is the big sale. So it looks like it's time to purchase more crypto. So right now we are down 16% in the whole market. 16%. That is, it's not as bad as we saw a couple of days ago, but it's still down significantly bad, because plus the days that it dropped a few days ago, it dropped down like 20%. Now it's plus 16%. It's still going down, because a few days ago Bitcoin was at 37,000. Now it is dropped 4,000. So Ether is on a huge sale. We just saw Ether hit 4,300. So this is not financial advice. I'm just here looking at the charts with you guys, seeing what cryptos you guys are looking to stay in and holding in, and finding some new gems as well. So Ether, I would definitely look into Ether, see what else they got going on. Hopefully you guys can hear me, because I just got a new mic, and my old mic was just the worst mic possible. But yeah. So I have a few things I want to go over. I know, like, you're watching this stream right now, a lot of people are scared because the market is dipping so much. There's no reason to be scared. If you really believe in crypto and what it's standing behind, then there's no reason to be scared. This is the best opportunity for you to make millions, maybe even billions, or thousands. You make a lot of money during this time, because one thing I always say, if you always buy the dip, you will always be up. Because after down is up. You can keep going down, but if you keep buying those dips and it's a strong project and it's actually something that has something behind it, not these meme coins, not like poop coin, young coin, like some of those scams. You don't need to be in those type of coins. Ethereum, Bitcoin, those are the main things you should be looking at right now. Because Ethereum, you just seen Ethereum at $4,300, and now it's at $1,900. I don't know about you, but to me, that's a deal. And Bitcoin is at a huge sell. A huge thing that people are missing about Bitcoin is Bitcoin. If you didn't know, Bitcoin in 4 years is gonna have another halving. In this bull run, this is a mini bear market, by the way. In this bull run that's gonna hit this summer, maybe June, late June, July, maybe mid June, July till like September or something, late December, I don't know. But that's when the market, you might see Bitcoin heading back up to that 60K. So you guys just have to stay very confident. I know if you have your money in there and your portfolio is down significant, just hold it. If you bought it lower than what it is now, see if you can. not financial advice. Just see if you can transition it into something better, and it's to a better deal. That's what I'm looking to do in my portfolio. So right now, a great buy will be XRP. XRP is at 73 cents. We just saw it. They had a lawsuit thing, stuff going on in court, but it looks like they're winning that. So we just seen XRP at like 130, 150. And if you get it right now, 69 cents. The low was 69 cents. If you'd have caught that 69 cents and now it's at 73 cents, you'll still be up. So like, don't think just because you see red it's all bad. This is really the best time for you to make huge gains. So yeah, there are a lot of coins that I want to get into. It's a lot of sales. It's like, just make sure you put your stuff behind a strong project, because I put in like, what's the coin called? I think it was called like, not promoting this coin. This you look. I had bought this coin around like right here. I think it's like 10 something, 14 something. Yeah, I'm down on that. I put in $3 because yeah, $3. I put in $3 in that just to see what's gonna happen. But I wouldn't say it's staying really strong during this thing. It has dropped a lot, but it's trying to make its little comeback. So I would not advise you to buy into this, because this is a very risky thing to buy into. The best thing you should be looking into right now is the Polkadot, $17, Chainlink $18. You just seen, look at this. That is crazy. Chainlink was just at $52. Look at that sale, $18. I'll cop that right now. Remember, guys, always buy the dip. Don't buy when it's going up. Okay, what else? Polkadot, $17. Man, everything's dipping a lot, but there's value behind the project, and you know that. You don't have anything to really worry about. And let me check the Nah, this is not a bad thing. This is a good thing. This is a great thing. You guys should be getting these discounts. You guys shouldn't be scared at all. It's the best time to buy. I don't know if my stream's late or something. So I'll definitely get into like these strong projects like Bitcoin, ETH, ADA. Those coins dropped a lot, but if you like those coins, then that's on sale. XRP deal, like I said, XRP is a huge project. They're working on not hurting the environment like Bitcoin is. I don't know how Bitcoin really hurting the environment. Like Elon Musk, he just said that so he can get other people in at a cheaper price. So I believe this market has a lot of manipulations during this time, because it all started with Elon. Everybody's paying attention to Elon. Then he said something bad about Bitcoin, and then Facebook said they didn't buy it, and Walmart didn't have it on their earnings report. So it just chain effect, domino effect. It went down just like that. So yeah, this is a great time to buy if you guys want to buy. This would be the best time, not when the market is going up, not when it's up 10%. So ADA, they're working on their ecosystem. I forgot what they just had released. But 88 is a good buy. 121. They haven't taken a huge hit like XRP, because XRP was at like, was it like 150? Yeah, 156. I hit 170 for a minute. But it's all time high though. $3 something. So like, this is a fantastic buy. And yeah, this is a great buy right here. I might some of that right now after stream. So here are my top 3 coins right now: Bitcoin, Ether, and probably XRP, because their use case is very strong. They're working on having a more eco-friendly environment, and ADA is too, but I feel like ADA can go down a little bit more, maybe to like 90 cents. That would be a good buy. It's still in the dollar, so. But if you want to buy, not financial advice, you buy 121, 120, 119. But I'll definitely look to snag it at around 90 cents, 95 cents. Then ICP, they have been on a downtrend this whole time ever since they launched. They went up, spiked to what's that? Above 600. 640. That's disgusting. They went to 426, 640. And they just been on a downtrend ever since. Look at this. I've been watching them. I was wanting to get into them. I was just waiting for a good buy. I don't know. I feel like they're gonna go down some more though. Cause look at the trend. It's just straight down. They had a little one bump right here. 123 to 189. So what are your guys' top coins? Let me know down in the comments. What coins you want me to look over? Not those scam or meme coins. See, look, people are still making new cryptos. People are still making new cryptos. Look at this. 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 during this bear market. Matic is a good buy. V-Chain 7 cents. Oh my gosh. So V-Chain, Theta token. I mean, Theta was they like $15 one time, 14 bucks. At 540. Yeah, I think it might be the best buy. Ether right now is probably the best buy. Even though Bitcoin is gonna have its halving, but that's 4 years. Halving in 4 years, it'll probably be around. If you think about it, the halving, everything get more. It's harder chance to get it. Mining, like, you gotta solve harder problems, you gotta solve more complex stuff. So 2024 Bitcoin is definitely gonna be around. Yeah, let's look at the chart. Bitcoin is definitely gonna be around. It didn't really hit a strong peak either. You see these peaks right here? These were strong peaks. You can see them. Boom. This is a strong peak right here as well. So it didn't really hit a huge peak. Yeah, Bitcoin, they're probably gonna be worth around $180,000 to $100,000 by the end of this year. Because if you just look at it, it didn't hit a strong peak at 65K. And then this down here, this is just giving, what they're doing is they're having the regular retail buyers selling their Bitcoin so that the institutions and all the high people can buy Bitcoin for a cheaper price, and they can have all the coins. And then basically it's gonna be the institutions who have most of the Bitcoin, because right now they're manipulating the markets. They're putting out FUD news and making people scared. But really, this is the best time. You should be getting Bitcoin too. If I had $3,300, I'll cash that in. But there's also a chance that they will try to manipulate it more to where they can get it for less. So if I had 33,000 right now, I'll see if it can dip some more, because we just seen it the other day at 3,700 and we thought it was gonna go back up. It won't gonna go back down. But I'll probably like dollars dollar cost average in it. So if once it's at 37, put in like what 5 racks. 33, put in 5 racks. And if it go down to like 29, put in 5 racks. If it go down any lower, put in 5 racks. And then you have your a decent amount of gains. But my goal is definitely to cop one full Bitcoin. So what I'm doing, my journey is flipping $500 into one full Bitcoin. So thank you guys that are watching. This is my journey. I'm looking a lot into those small cap, mid, forgot what you got. Mid market cap. It's not at the billions, but it's not at the low millions either. So that's how you really find the good coins. It's around like, here, let's see this. They got like the lowest market cap coin that I'll look for is probably around 80 million. Other than that, like 100 million and up is a decent project, because if you think about it, you can some of these people be having fake market caps behind their names. So if you think about it, a whale could just make a coin and put $1 million behind it and just have 1 million. If you think about it like that, that's very risky. So I wouldn't invest in those low caps. But the chances of a whale putting $80 million or $100 million into like a coin, there's still a chance that could happen. But a person putting $80 million into something just to make some gains, I don't know. But I think it's possible. I'm not saying it's impossible, but the lower market cap coins are very, very risky. So like the ones that you have a chance of making a substantial amount is like the ones that are around 100 million, like 200 million. Like they have some decent money behind it. They don't have too high of a market cap, like billions. They don't have billions of dollars behind them, because like once they have billions, the growth kind of shrinks. It makes the growth smaller, so you won't gain that much. You still gain a lot, but you won't gain that much as something that's worth 100 million. So if you were to buy, let's just say you buy a coin, it's called CMC. Coin has a market cap of 100 million, and it's at, let's say it's at 0.001. Chances of that going to $1 are more likely the chances of than the chances of like sheep, which has like 4 billion, or like they're pretty high. I think 4 billion or $1 billion behind them. Like their chances of going to $1 are three. See, look, they got $3 billion behind them. The chances of going to $1 are not impossible, but it's very slim, because they already have that money behind them. So they will have to pass a lot of strong coins in order to get to $1. And even at, I think they hit what? I think, I don't want to mistake. It was like, see, look right here. market cap. But I think around here is around $14 million. $14 billion, excuse me. So think about that. Some of these actual decent coins don't even have that high of a market cap. Like 14 billion. Polkadot barely has that, and they're a nice project. They're a good buy. Litecoin don't even have that. She was like, I swear, at one moment it was like top 14, top 10, just for like a couple of hours though, a few hours. It's above Chainlink, Stellar, Solana. Solana's also a good buy, but it's above a lot of these coins, and like it has. I looked into it myself. That's why I just put in $3 just to see. I looked at it. They looked like they were trying to make something. They had a sheep swap. This is what a lot of people don't talk about. They had a sheep swap, and they had another token that they were making. Let me see what it was. What was it called? I think it was called Bone. And this token is worth a lot. Not this one. And this one, it was like what it was. Here, let me just go to their site and I'll show you. See, look, they're working on an ecosystem. This is an ERTC 20 code token. Okay, Leash was what it was. So Leash is worth like, I think it's like 6,000. I don't remember. See, look, one point it was at what, 8 racks. Look, that boy dropped all the way to 1,800. My God. The only reason it's so high is because they don't have that many coins releasing. They only have, what they say, 100k tokens. So of course it's gonna be skying that high because there's not that many tokens. That's the thing about Bitcoin. There's not that many tokens. There's only the max supply is 21 million. And how many people in the world? Like 7-8 billion. So if you have one of these, think about this. Think about Bitcoin as a souvenir. Even if you have 0.00001% or 1 or 2 or 5, you will still have a lot of Bitcoin later in the future. Say like 2060, you walk into like you had a reservation for a nice restaurant, and then Bitcoin's price at that time was like, what? Let's just say 500,000. Let's just say a million, 1.5 million. 0.000. Let's do the math. 0.001 or 5 of that Bitcoin is worth a lot. And then the halving would definitely, like, they probably won't even be having any more halvings anymore. So many halvings. So, because every 4 years they have. I'm pretty sure. Bitcoin halving. So the main thing that's running the prices for Bitcoin right now is not necessarily their use case, it's their halving. And some people don't know that Bitcoin has a halving. That's why a lot of them are selling and getting scared. But it's no reason to be scared. It's just, if you do a little bit more research, you'll be perfectly fine. You'll understand why Bitcoin is a great investment. Bitcoin halving date, 2024. So every time it halves, it just goes up in price. It's basically guaranteed to go up in price. It definitely will have its drops because that's normal. That's what it's supposed to have. So Bitcoin halves every 2 years, every 4 years, every 4 years. So 2024 halving, 2028 halving, 2032 halving. If you have that, just think about it. You can put $5 into Bitcoin right now, and you have by the time you are what? I don't know how, but for me, I'm 18 right now. By the time you have, by the time it's like what, 2060, that Bitcoin is that 0.0001 Bitcoin is worth a lot. Bitcoin will probably be at 2.5 mil. I don't know if you guys seen The Simpsons, but they said Bitcoin was at infinity. Imagine Bitcoin being at infinity, that would be crazy. But that's very unlikely. I don't know, The Simpsons have predicted a lot of good things. Not a lot of good things, but a lot of things they've predicted. And it's all happening. At least, yeah. I seen this a week ago or a few weeks back. This price was so high. I was like, why is it so high? They got that. Only 100K tokens. That's very rare. So they're just using that to run up their price. I don't think there's any really rebase. Okay, look. Lease was originally rebase token pegged to the price of Dogecoin. Now it has been unleashed and will not rebase. So they're saying it was leased to the price of Dogecoin. So think it like a dog. Dog have a leash. It basically follows it or helps guide it. Whatever. It's a leash. So you the cop leash it. I'm not saying it's a good investment now. Definitely do not invest into that because no. Not right now. Maybe like later. We can look more into it. But their website looks good. They look like they're trying to do something. Look at this. Deep swap. They look like they're trying to do something, but it's been out. I've seen this for a few months now. Coming soon. Where is it at? I don't think this is it. I don't know how long I'm gonna be streaming for, but let me know down in the comments what coins you want me to look at. What coins you think are good coins? No meme coins, no scam coins. JD, no. JD, do not. Guys, do not listen to the comments. Do not take that risk. JD, if you are doing that, stay safe, alright? Because that is a huge risk. Dang, I gotta get the live chat pulled up on. I gotta get the live chat pulled up on here. Hold on. Alright guys, so hopefully you guys understand why this is the best time for you to get more in crypto. It's basically, I don't know what other time. This might be a once in a lifetime chance. And this has happened a few times back in the older days, 2017, a few times 2018, but I think this huge dip is getting ready to have a huge run up. I don't know how long this dip is gonna be, this huge bear market is gonna be, but it's definitely a great time to get into some more stronger projects. Don't get into those the scam coins. That's not the ones right now. Cause some of these scam coins after this bear market won't be here anymore. So if you still Dogecoin definitely gonna be here still because the community is too strong. If you guys are rocking with Dogecoin, it's a very strong community. So if you the best thing to do if you don't know anything about crypto, this is not financial advice, but get strong projects. Get into strong projects. Okay, like I showed you earlier, a few strong projects. ADA, Solana, Polkadot, Chainlink. They are all on sale right now. Ethereum is gonna be the hugest thing in the next 2 to 3 years. They're gonna be the hugest thing. They're gonna be bigger than. They're not gonna be bigger than Bitcoin in market cap wise, but they're gonna be basically the leader of crypto. Bitcoin is gonna be like a trophy. That's basically what Bitcoin is gonna be. It's gonna be a huge souvenir, something that you hang up and put on your wall. Okay, chats, J Dean. No, that's not the way to go. If you guys are new to this, do not start off leverage trading. And if you were to go into leverage trading, have it separate from your personal account. You probably have to make another account or just have it separate from your personal investing account and like really. So let's look at some more coins. And some people they put their either their profits into stable coins like Tether, USDC, and other stable coins, so they don't lose any profits. And then that's also a very smart idea. But if you shouldn't really worry about anything, that's only I'll say this. That's only smart if you're trying to say you gain profits in a coin. You transition your profits into a stable coin. Use that stable coin to get into more coins. Because USDTC or USDT, US Tether, you can buy a lot of coins with USDT. So that's a smart way to like transition your profits into other coins. But the fees, the fees gonna hit, especially because a lot of these coins are in are ERC20 tokens, except for like a lot of them in the top, like I want to say like top 30, 40, 50. But there's a lot of ERC20 tokens, so when you try to transfer, it's gonna be some fees that'll hit you a little bit. So what do you guys, let me know down below in the comments, what do you guys think is gonna happen? It's gonna go up from here, go down from here? What do you guys think? Man, I know those institutions are happy. They're just sitting back laughing. They said we manipulated the market like crazy, and we getting Bitcoin at a discount and Ethereum. 1900 Ether, bro. That's blowing my mind. When was the last time Ether at that? Ether was at that price. Earlier this year. Yeah, Ether did have a huge run up from like $100. Yeah, 150, $200. 2018, yeah, everybody was going up. 2018, everybody's getting big. Market cap. Yeah, Ether's gonna hit $1 trillion in the next 3 years. So here's my top 5 top tips in the bear market. Okay. Always buy the dip. As you see, the bear market is very I would say is you don't know exactly how low it can go unless you expect it to go that low. So if you expect Bitcoin to go to, let's say you thought it was gonna go, the lowest gonna be 3,700. Guess what? It kept dipping. You didn't think it was gonna go to 3,200. But just look at the past few days trend or past week trend. Do you see really any? It's trying to make a strong comeback. As you see right here, it dipped huge. It came back up, dipped a little bit, came back up. It's just resisting. You have to make a new resistance line every time because it just keeps going down. The trend is a downtrend. So the lowest is definitely not gonna hit anywhere near 5K or 10K. Not that low, like, cause if it were to hit that low, everybody and their grandma would buy Bitcoin. Everybody had Bitcoin. People put their life savings into Bitcoin if it hit 5K, 10K. Guys, do not put anything that you're not willing to lose into crypto. Yeah, so it's just a downtrend. You don't know exactly. But this is definitely a good time to buy in because we just seen it at 65K, 64K not too long ago, like a month and a half ago. Alright guys, I might end the stream here. I'm gonna eat some breakfast. I'm gonna try to find some good coins that you guys should be good getting into right now. And make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. And let me know what coins we should look more into in the comments. No scam, no me. Okay. Alright.